Mitutoyo's Quick Vision Active is a fully featured and automatic, high-speed, high-accuracy, high-throughput, automated vision accuracy system in a space-saving, ergonomic design. The QV Active's intelligent, automated processing tool allow for a highly efficient, unattended inspection. Automatic measurement routines are available either with the click of a button or with image recognition. The automatic edge detection function provides superior reproducibility of measurements regardless of an operator's skill level. Image autofocus allows high-speed, high-accuracy height measurements of 3D features. The QV Active's manual tool reduces need for fixtures as the 0 point is created anywhere on the part, fixture or stage. The step and repeat function will measure a large number of workpieces on the stage or fixture in one easy operation. With the optional touch probe-enabled system, measuring side-faced and dimensional features such as perpendicularity and parallelism are possible. Internal side features hidden from the camera can be accessed with the star probe configuration. An interchangeable objective lens zoom unit provides superior flexibility, performing wide field of view measurements to micro measurements. The QV Active from Mitutoyo.